In this video, we're going to show you how to install the interior door panel on your Nissan Murano located on the driver's side front door. Now with the door open, you're going to locate the master switch controller here. You use a trim tool or a flathead screwdriver. You want to go underneath, right between the door pull and the switch panel, and lift this up. And just gently work your way down, releasing the plastic locking tabs. Then you want to go ahead and pull it backward. On the back, you're going to have a series of connectors. You want to go ahead and loosen and remove these. I'm going to start with this one up here. It doesn't matter which one you do first. I'm going to use my pocket screwdriver to press in on the tabs here to release. You can try pinching it with your finger. Sometimes they come out. Now right inside the door pull, there's going to be a little plastic cover here. We're going to use our pocket screwdriver. You want to get in here and pop this cover. Okay, pop that out. That's going to expose two 10mm screws here. You can use a Phillips head screwdriver or a power tool. Loosen and remove these. Set those aside as we'll be reusing those later. And then right behind the door handle here, it's going to be another plastic cover. Go ahead and pop that right out. And right behind it is another 10mm screw. Loosen and remove, set it aside. On the upper portion here on the inside of the mirror is going to be the sail panel. Use your plastic trim tool. Go ahead and pop this off. So you got to pull up the door panel a little bit here to pull this out. With this pulled out, you're going to run your hand around and you're going to gently pull out on the door panel, releasing the plastic buttons holding the door panel to the shell. Work your way right around. Okay, at this point here, the door panel should swing right along the top. Now we're going to pull the door panel up and off, and behind it is going to be some cables here to the door handle. I want to go ahead and disconnect that once we pull this apart. Now the cables come around and they just press into the notch right here. Just going to give it a little tug, pop that out, and then swing this out. There's going to be a little end here, the barrel end that pops in. Release that. Do the same on the bottom. Pop that out. Now this is pretty easy. This here has the ball end, and the other one has the little L end, so you can't mess those up. At this point here, door panel is free. Go ahead and set it aside. Let's go ahead and install our cables here. All right, you want to make sure that the cable end, when it goes into the notch, that it snaps in. Okay. Now I want to go ahead and hang the top portion of the door panel on the door sill itself. Make sure that your power window wiring comes through as well. All right, we have our door panel set into place here. So we're going to install our mirror sail panel. All right, go ahead and click our door panel together here. We now install the 3 bolts holding our door panel in place. Good, snug those down. Let's go ahead and install our trim panels here. Now this here has a little tab here and 2 hooks here. So this needs to insert in and then press the forward portion down. Install our lower trim panel here. There's 2 tabs that go down inside and then the top presses into lock. Snap that into place. Go ahead and grab the wiring for your switch panel here. And go ahead and get these installed. Make sure you feel them engage, clicking into place. Do that for all 3. Insert the front portion down and in, and then we'll press down the back section here. Now that we're installed here, you're all set.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.